I want to turn now to where we stand in the coronavirus pandemic. The Johns Hopkins University tracker shows that we now stand at just under 10.6 million cases. So we are steadily adding roughly 100,000 cases or more each day. We also now have more than 242,000 Americans that have died from this virus. Yahoo Finance's Anjalee Khemlani joins us now with the latest.
Thanks, Kristen. Yeah, unfortunately, we are seeing those numbers rise. And it's important to note that this is kind of what health experts have been warning about, but not at this significant rate of growth. Whatever metric you use to judge how bad it is in this country, they're all bad. As it stands right now, looking at that daily case count, more than 150,000 per day for the last few days, as well as more than 69,000 in the hospital in one day. So looking at what it stands right now, it's really a lot of concerning growth in cases. Meanwhile, of course, no specific decision on how to uniformly address all this. So we're seeing a patchwork of results across the country. Once again, when it comes to curfews, restrictions, the stay-at-home advisory we saw in Chicago, New York City announcing it is likely to close schools. Meanwhile, El Paso County in Texas struggling to get more control over the virus, and an appeals court halting that process when the county was trying to extend restrictions to December 1st. And instead, while some of the particular restrictions are in place, such as bars closing and mask wearing, the stricter restrictions are now off the table for now. But this is what we're looking at when it comes to, the lack of uniformity that is going to continue to contribute to that increase. And when we're looking at the hospitalizations, of course, we're starting to see the results of an increase in the death toll as a result. But from what we learned earlier in the pandemic, it is going to contribute to more deaths going forward.
All right. Thank you so much for that update. Yahoo Finance's Anjalee Khemlani.